Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin on damp, detangled hair so the rice water can absorb. This matters because open cuticles take treatment better. Apply about 1/2 cup of as I am rice water into a small bowl, then work section by section. Start at the nape and move up. Once done with each section, massage product into the scalp for 30-60 seconds to stimulate circulation. Make sure to distribute through mid-lengths and ends. Doing this prevents buildup and ensures even hydration. Now you move into the core of the treatment, timing and heat. After massaging each section, twist or clip hair and put on a plastic cap. You can add a warm towel for 5-15 minutes to speed penetration. Once done, choose time by hair porosity. Low porosity waits closer to 15 minutes, high porosity about 5. Make sure to keep breathing and avoid overheating. The heat opens cuticles, so the rice protein and nutrients bind better to your strands. Finish by rinsing with lukewarm water until it runs clear. You want no residue left. Once rinsed, apply a light conditioner if hair feels dry, then detangle and style as you normally would. Seal your routine with a leave-in or a few drops of oil to lock moisture. If you notice stiffness, dryness, or protein overload, rinse again, reduce next leave time, or dilute the rice water by half. This troubleshooting keeps results consistent and prevents overuse.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.